This is a visual video, and this is a side of a house where you have a white picket fence and 2 windows. And for the windows, I went with the lattice design, and then for the fence, I did the green for the grass, and then I'm putting roses in it so it looks like a little rose bush. So you have little cute roses. And then of course you have this. And now what color of the house? It could be any color you want. It could be brown, it could be blue, it could be pink, purple. The house color doesn't matter. So I want to show you how to do these little cute roses. So for my little rose garden, I've got some kind of big and some kind of little. However it comes out, that's how I do it. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit more. There we go. So of course, this is the part nobody really ever sees. So I'm going to go in from behind. Doop-a-doop. And then I'm going to figure out where I want it. So I'm probably going to put it about right there. And I'm going to lay it down. And then I'm going to wrap it around once and wrap it around again. Did you see that? Once and then again. I want to go in the same hole, but I'm going to pull it just so slightly once I get close to the end. I'm just going to put a little bit of a tuck. There we go. So now I have that rose. And then I'm going to go back underneath, and I'm going to zoom to right here. And I'm going to flip it over. And then, since that one's so low, I might put it right down here. Right there. I think. I got one in the middle, one over there, one over there. Yeah, so. You can do more than just one. I'm thinking of doing like purple as well. So you're gonna wrap it, and stick it back in. Okay. So I might even do purple too. So a red and a purple rose bush. So it's looking kind of cute. Then we'll scoot on over to this side. Okay. And then I'm gonna probably go in about right there. We're gonna wrap it and then go back in the same hole. I'm gonna pull it ever so gently. And then I'll go up here somewhere. Oh, there we go. And I'll probably go right over here, I guess. I don't think it really matters. But I'm gonna put that down. Then you're gonna wrap it and go back in the same hole. Then when you get to the end, you just want to pull it ever so tight. Then you want to finish it off. And then cut off the extra. And now, oops, there we go. Cute, cute, right? So let's see what the purple would look like. Let me see. I've got a hot mess over here. I don't know if I even have it. Ah, here we go. This purple is gorgeous. I think it'll make pretty purple roses. I don't know if putting 2 colors on one side is a smart idea, but it's my tissue box and I can do it if I want to. All right. I don't know where that voice came from, so I apologize if it freaked you out a little bit creepy. So we'll just go up in here, go up in there. Okay, and I'm gonna put it right here in this corner. What do you think? We'll do a twisty, twisty back in the same hole. Oh, that's gonna be so cute. Then I think I'm gonna put one right here. Twisty, twisty, back through the same hole. That's so pretty. I love it. Okay, so let's go over here. All right, there. Make sure we're on the camera. So I'm gonna put one right here. Twisty, twisty, stick it back in. And then I'm gonna put one right about there. Ah! There we go. Twisty, twisty, stick it back in. Okay. There we go. So now we have like a little garden going here. I don't know, what do y'all think? Does it look like a little garden going there? The tutorial for this entire design will be uploaded soon, but I wanted you to go ahead and start practicing making the design. I've done one window here, so I'm not exactly sure if I want to do two. I think two sides will have one and two sides will have two. So, and I was even thinking of making a flower basket underneath the window, make the fence shorter, and then do like a little green basket. So I don't know yet. I don't know what I want to do yet, but this is here. You can screenshot it and practice. I know it's horrible trying to figure out the angles of this camera. There we go. There we go. Okay, so there you go. You can screenshot it if you want to try to make it yourself or do it yourself. We will have a tutorial on this. I think the little roses turned out kind of cute, so I'm a little excited about that. I wasn't sure, but when you look at it in person, it looks really cute. It looks like little roses. I appreciate your time. I'm grateful that you're here, and I'm thankful that you're here and that you want to learn something new. And if you can put up with my voice, you're doing good, because I hate listening to myself on the playback. I'm sorry. I wish I had one of those pretty voices. But I wasn't blessed with that. But I was blessed and talented and able to teach you plastic canvas, and that's what it's all about, right? You can always fast forward through any video. This is a beginner channel, and it is for beginners to learn how to do cool stuff with plastic canvas. So therefore, if you know how to do something, or you already know a step that I am doing, you can always fast forward a few seconds forward until you get to a part that you don't know, or that you want to see what I'm doing differently than what you would normally do. So with that being said, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. Thanks for being loyal. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. There's also an applause button. I don't know how long that's going to stay on there. So you can tip me on the applause, or you can join and be a member only and support the actual channel. That helps me buy supplies and gives me a little tip for my time, which I spend way too much time on my videos because I love them and I want you to be as passionate about plastic canvas as I am. So with that being said, please have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day, and we will see you soon.